This is Magnolia virginiana. I'm here at the Whitemarsh Memorial Park, and as you can see, there's one flower that's cupped open and this one here is fully opened. The fragrance is absolutely dreamy, sweet and smooth smelling, almost like a perfume or soap. This one tree is enormous. I wanted to show you this because it has a very wide trunk. I would say this is about 100 years old. When they first founded this cemetery, which is just about 100 years ago. And you could see the new shoots coming out of the middle. So this is really, it's about 6-7 feet across, maybe wider, and the trunks themselves are very big too. They're enormous. The leaves are elongated and have a simple margin, and when you flip them over, they have this beautiful whitish color on the back. Magnolia virginiana is classified as a swamp magnolia, and it is one of the only magnolias that can stand a lot of water, and is found in southern New Jersey, Delaware, in its natural habitat. This is a really wonderful, durable tree that can tolerate drought and heat and flooding. So let me take you back so you could actually see how big the actual tree is from afar. It's enormous, as I mentioned, and it's, I would say, 100 years old or better. And it's at the circle where the founder's grave is. So you can see that. Again, Magnolia virginiana, swamp or bay magnolia.